How to show kids you care. Step by step. Ahem. Snuffle, sniff. Adjusts tiny bear bow tie. Hello again, my marvellous group of grown-up humans. It's your friend Benny the Fuzzy Bear, reporting live from the block corner, where I have survived 14 years of blitterstorms, toddler hurricanes, and one incident involving yogurt and betrayal. Today, I'm here to teach you something very important. How to show kids you care, step by step, so their little hearts say, "Yes, you are my safe human." Ready? Okay, grab your emotional snacks. Here we go. Step 1. Start with tiny signals. Tiny to you, huge to them. Do you know how kids decide who to trust? Not by your degrees or your amazing lesson plan. Nope. They look for micro moments. Things like a warm "Good morning, Maya," a smile when they walk in, getting to their eye level, saying, "I'm glad you're here today," noticing their sparkly unicorn shoes. To you, it takes 1 to 3 seconds. To a kid, it's like putting emotional gold coins in their piggy bank. Practical classroom tip. Pick one child and give them a 1-second connection every time they enter the room. It's magic. Trust me, I'm stuffed, not stupid. Step 2. Be present for 10 to 20 seconds at a time. Humans think connection means long talks. No, kids don't want TED Talks. They want tiny doses of attention, sprinkled like parmesan on spaghetti. Try this. Stop what you're doing for 10 seconds. Make eye contact. Nod like you care. Say one sentence. Tell me about it. Oh wow, that mattered to you. I see you worked hard on that. That's it. You've just done emotional CPR, connection per relationship. This is called serve and return, but I prefer talk and nod. Step 3. Stay warm and firm during meltdowns, the real test. Okay, now we're entering the storm zone. Kids will test you. Not because they're naughty, but because they need to know, are you safe even when I'm not? This is where warm and firm comes in. Say things like, I won't let you hit. You're safe. I'm right here. You're angry, and we still use gentle hands. I'm on your team. Let's figure this out. Your calm voice becomes their anchor. And if I, a bear who has been launched across the room more than once, can stay calm, you can too. Practical classroom tip. Whisper. Kids have to quiet down to hear you. Step 4. Use rituals to build belonging. Listen, humans, bears are big on rituals. We have hibernation, berry season, and weekly river splashes. Kids need rituals too. Rituals tell them, this place is mine. Try choice greetings, high five, wave, elbow bump. A morning feelings chart. A classroom cheer. A secret handshake. Special jobs, line leader, plant helper, snack captain. Goodbye rituals at pickup. Every ritual is one more thread sewn into the blanket of belonging. Step 5. Double dose the kids who need it most. Let me be honest for a second. There is always one kid who tests the limits, throws the tantrums, and hides the classroom crayons in their socks. Those kids need the most connection. Why? Because they're not giving you a hard time. They're having a hard time. So give them. Extra eye contact, extra compassion, extra greetings, extra chances, extra reassurance. Believe me, I've seen a kid go from tornado to teddy bear simply because a teacher said, "I'm not giving up on you." Practical classroom tip. Greet this child by name 3 times a day: arrival, midday, and goodbye. Step 6. Repair when you mess up, because you will. Sometimes you'll lose your cool. You're human. Kids survive glue eating, they can survive your imperfect moment. Just repair it. I used a rough voice. I'm sorry. You deserve calm words. I care about you. Boom. Relationship fixed. Trust strengthened. Bear approved. Benny's final fuzzy summary. If you remember nothing else I said, remember this. Kids don't care what you know until they know you care. And caring looks like smiles, eye contact, soft tone, listening rituals, warm and firm limits, patience, repair, and tiny moments that whisper, "You matter here." Do these steps every day, and you'll build a classroom full of kids who feel safe, seen, and ready to learn. Also, snacks. Always snacks. Snuffle sniff. Okay, I need a nap now. Teaching humans is exhausting.